Hi, today I want to show you how to clean up the scales which are growing on the curry leaf plant. So here you can find these are the scales. The darker one is the matured one, and these are all young ones. And I have a couple of leaves affected. This one has no scales on it, but there are some leaves that have scales, like this one here. It's a very young one, it's just beginning to settle down. So we have to remove. Oh, this one is a very matured one, a dark one. This is a dark one. And for this, we need isopropyl alcohol. Kills 99% of the germs. And we need a paper towel to clean up, and couple of q-tips and couple of toothpick, so this can scrape them out. So let's begin the work. First I want to clean up this leaf. This has a lot of infection, so I'd like to clean that up. You dip this in isopropyl alcohol and gently tease it out. If that is very stubborn, then we can use a toothpick to gently tease it out, and then pick it up with the and put it on the paper towel. So this way the insect can be carefully removed. So if you can put some water on it, it's easier to just tease them out. So you can see a couple of them. Then you just wipe them out and put them on a paper towel, wipe them on a paper towel, and then continue with this. This one is a matured one that is darker in shade. So what we do is gently tease it, because it's well stuck to the leaf. It cannot be moved so easily. So tease it a little bit and then gently give it a tap or a wipe, and it is on this Q-tip. And then rinse it off or put it on a paper towel. So this way we have to remove most of this, and then we can spray it with an insecticidal soap, which is a mixture of neem oil and dish soap mixed together to form a very dilute mixture. So that can be used on the plant to prevent further development of this insect. So if we clean it up like this, in a few days time you find that the number of insects are reduced, and it's easier to remove the ones that are still there, and you can clean up. And eventually you find that these scales dry up, some of them. If you put some isopropyl alcohol on it, then you find that they dry up, but you need to move them first. It's stuck hard onto the surface of the leaf. So this one is cleaned up. This is how we clean up the whole surface. And I don't have any more left on these leaves, so it's good to go. And then give it a gentle spray of the insecticidal soap to stop the continuation of or the new ones from forming. These are all young ones trying to settle down. So if you scrape it out with the Q-tip without damaging the leaf, you can remove them. And then wipe it on a paper towel. So this is how you remove and clean up the surface. That one is done. Go to the next one and gently remove. The matured ones are a little bit hard to remove. That's when you have to use the toothpick to gently tease them out. You can give it a good. The leaves are very hard to pull out unless they are weakened by the infestation of pests. Otherwise they are very hardy and they can stick to the leaf, and you can clean it up gently. So when it is like this, you can even use the paper towel to wipe out the leaf so it's cleaned up. After it's all cleaned out, you may spray it with the insecticidal soap. So this is cleaned up. So I don't have a big infestation on this plant. So most of the leaves are quite healthy, and I can find they're healthy, and I can find that new leaves are developing here because it's springtime and it's time to grow. So you find all the new leaves. This is some other infection. I'm not sure what it is. Or just one leaf. That's okay. Otherwise, this plant is doing well and it can be saved from further infestation. Thank you. Try and clean up your scale insects this way. Have a great day. Bye bye.